Hi, I'm Lori.
And I'm Rick.
And we are Here We Go Again, and we are coming to you today to share with you a product that we decided to buy since our love for our dogs, and we love taking them camping with us, and this just makes our life a little bit easier, so we thought we'd share it with you. It is the Zeny foldable metal exercise pen and fencing, and we decided to get the one level, and we'll show you more about it when we put it together. But hopefully this will help you all in deciding if this is something that would be suitable for your little fur babies.
Yes, guys, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you like this video or if you find it helpful. But as Lori was saying, this playpen has really helped us out a lot in taking our dogs camping. So we just wanted to bring you a video because we think it will help you as well. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, here we go, getting it out of the box, setting it up. Our son's actually helping us. It's not too hard to set up. We sped it up just a little bit, but really it's a quick setup and quick getting it out there.
It's very easy install. The pieces are not very heavy either.
No, and there's actually 16 sections to this system that we have. They're 31 inch wide by 24 inch high, which we opted for the shorter one. They also have some that are taller at 36 inches and 48 inches. It's just according to what size you want to get for your dogs. We are using or utilizing all 16 sections for this demonstration. But if you find out you're going to have a smaller area for your dogs, you don't have to take as many camping with you, and you can make it a 4x4.
Yes, any desirable square footage, shape, I think we have that in here as well. But this has enhanced our camping experience. It's very good for our dogs that are outside with us, but the install is super easy, Lori.
Yes, and it just makes it easier for our dogs because we found ourselves leaving them inside the camper more often. But as you can see coming up here, you'll see how easy the stake is just to put in. You just line the holes up there, put it all through all 4 holes, kind of like a hinge on a door, and then you just push it into the ground and it stabilizes it so that the dogs can kind of push up against it and it doesn't move. Little
word of advice, it's a whole lot easier if the ground's a little wet or if there's been a rain, because we have had where we've camped. The stakes are a little more difficult if the ground's really hard.
Or if it's clay instead of just regular dirt.
So don't be like, hey, those fools on YouTube told me this was easy. Well, if the ground's hard and difficult, you will need to hammer it a little bit.
Yes.
But as you can tell here, here's our puppy, about a year old, Roxy. She really enjoys it. And like Lori said, this has made our dogs get outside more and just watch and chase birds a little bit and
lounge around in the sun. They sunbathe too, just like we do. They like the sunshine.
Yeah, but our dog, she's what, 15 pounds here? Roxy's 15 pounds, and she can't jump this, nor she hasn't tried yet. But our other dog, Holly, she will jump this. And I, on our last camping trip, kind of rigged something up here with I guess our leash and some clips from side to side, and it really, I didn't have to worry about her getting tangled up around picnic tables and things. It really helped where she just went back and forth because she is a bird chaser.
Yes.
She loves chasing birds and barking.
She'll jump that thing in no instant at
all. If there's another dog around or a person just giving her a little bit of attention, she's gone.
Yeah.
But this is what I came up with. I just took it side to side, and it gives her, she pretty much had the run of the 66 square foot area.
Plus with the leash. But even if she did jump it, we could react fast enough
to grab.
Although on concrete you can't push it into anything, but the grass you can. So
I will leave a link in the description of this video to Amazon where you can check out this dog fence, but also I will leave a link to our website so you can go over and check out some RV accessories that we recommend, and also this dog fence will be on that page. We greatly appreciate you guys watching and checking out this video. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up and like this video. But until next time, safe travels, guys. Bye.